So we have another property for sale, guys. This is 10,000 square meters for sale at 1,200 pesos per square meter. It's a clean title located in Barangay Sirao, Cebu City. So nindot kayo ni guys. Very nice yun, no? Nagwanuan. Then it's along concrete road overlooking to the sea. It has mango trees presently planted with sweet corn. Sweet. Nindot kayo ni sweet corn, guys. Mahal ni kilo, no? Pretty mahal ang kilo, ani. Then, nindot kayo siya. You can build your own house or residential house. Good for, kuan, usually, no, daghan mamalit yun diri vegetables, flowers. Nindot kini tamnag flowers kay bugnaw. It's really cool in this place, no? Nindot yun kayo ang location, guys. Then from Cebu City, it's around 30 minutes drive more or less kanang main city. Then hospitals, there is a Guba Cebu City hospitals, guys, no? Dool kining Sirao Cebu City and Guba are mountain barangays that has already that are very improved barangays, no? Kanang nindot ni. If you remember, there is a Sirao Garden. Diha dara dapita, guys. Nindot siya, dool ra gyud kaayo siya sa mga ingon ana, no. This is ideal for a mountain resort development, residential, rest house, manukan or kanang magwag mga manok. So distansya tagamay kay nagluto na si Mrs. So mo ni, guys, no. Again, continue atong vlog. Nindot kayo ang yuta. It is really has a good soil for farming. So usually manggod diri, guys, kanang people are planting vegetables. Then ari ni uban mangumpra, no. Mangumpra og mga vegetables. So nindot ang location, tambok kay vegetables, kining kuan sweet corn. Now there are mango trees, good, guys. Then there are also coconut trees. So meaning you can have your coconut fruit and mango trees. So meaning it can be an income generating property. Then bugnaw, again, it's really cool, especially at night time or magwan-uwan, rainy season, magfogging diri. So very nice yun ang property. Again, the transportation, you need to have your own car, but there are still schedule of kanang minibus in the area. May mga schedule. Much better you can have your own car. Nindot yun, no? So mao na, guys, very nice ang atong property nga gi for sale, overlooking. Din here you can see the view of the sea unta, guys, pero because of the rain, nag-raining man siya, di makita. It cannot be seen because of the fogging. Nagpag naman. So nindot kayo, no? Tambok kayo ang ilahang kuan. So mahal ba ang kilo sa kuan mga sweet corn? Yang kusog po diri, guys, kining mga vegetables aside from sweet. You can convert this. Then water, daghan kay tubig diri, guys. No problem with water, no? So kaya na may mga, if you can dig a well, you can have your water system. Na may mga tubig diri. Then this property not belong to kuan kanang watershed area. Dili siya. It's a clean title, no. Dili siya belong kay doon na may mga parts sa Sirao nga belong sa watershed area. So this can be converted into a subdivision development. Pwede po ni siya gamon imong subdivision, rest house, mga people are kuan kanang kapoy na sa city. They change their kuan venue, especially Saturday and Sunday or nindot kay diri, guys. Manukan, the best food manukan. Napoy daghang mga manok po diri. Roaster, like the one we hear, no? Mamang yun na normal ni sa Pilipinas guys. So if you are from Philippines or if you are foreigner no living in somewhere outside in the Philippines, expect nga nadyo kay madungog nga mga tuktugaok sa manok. Nalapo kayo no. Okay. For inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. We will process transfer of title. Then if you have properties for sale, just submit to us. So aside from that guys no, beside din ni sa Calvary Mountain Station of La Cruz, mana diri mingaw sa ni kayo. Kilid ni siya diri sa Calvary Mountain of Langob, Sitio Langob, Barangay Sirao, Cebu City. So mao ni siya guys. Suroyanan da manoroy po din. Thank you.